Welcome to another Kartra funnel review by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. At the end of this video, you will discover the Lion's funnel score and how effective the funnel is. Is it even worth trying or buying? Is it better or worse than some of the other funnels? Can it be improved, or is it a complete waste of time? We will provide you with the verdict. Is the funnel poor, average, good, very good, or outstanding quality? And we'll summarize the value by listing the pros and cons. Let's get started. Kartra funnel review number 4, sales letter campaign. So what is a sales letter campaign? It's one of Kartra's free funnels that uses a traditional long-form sales letter to sell products or services. It begins with a long sales letter web page and then redirects visitors to a one-time offer. Depending on whether they purchase or not, the campaign will redirect them to a profit max or a downsell page, giving them yet another opportunity to buy. The following assets are included in this campaign: 6 tags, 6 products, 6 pages, 3 videos, and 1 sequence. And here is the chart diagram that we'll cover in more depth in Kartra in a moment. Ready to go? Let's dive in. Let's begin by importing the campaign from campaigns and then available campaigns. We'll give it a prefix that helps organize the data. And once the campaign is imported, let's take a closer look at the diagram. This campaign is virtually identical, at least on the diagram, to the VSL campaign, which was reviewed in funnel review number 3. So if you'd like to compare it, take a look at the other one. It didn't score that well on our marketing funnel score. So let's see if this one improved the score. And when I say improved, who is in charge of that? That's one of Kartra's own campaigns. So it's up to Kartra to improve this. So we start with the sales page that should present the one-time offer. Then if somebody purchases that one-time offer, they will be sent to a profit maximizer page that upsells them to additional products. If they don't, they are now sent to a cheaper product for a downsell. However, after the downsell, they are redirected back to the profit maximizer to upsell them from a downsell. This actually is a good idea. Then we have a thank you page and an email sequence that it's triggered by the result of traveling through this funnel at the end of this funnel. So back to Kartra, and we'll see if it's built correctly. In Kartra, let's take a look at the list of the assets. Tags, I don't expect much in here. The campaigns are, the category is created, that's good. Yeah, all the tags look correct. Videos, in a previous campaign, we only had placeholder videos, and I suspect the same will happen here. Actually, these are the same videos on the first look. Other assets, what else do we have? Sequences we'll review at the end. Products, let's take a look at the products, which I am positive are going to look the same. Good, the exact same setup for the one-time offer, downsell, and then what's known as a profit maximizer. Why is it incomplete? Because you have to configure that to connect that to a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. And now let's jump to the pages. I'm actually going to mark this as complete for now, so I can go to pages directly from here. So I have all the pages already open in individual tabs, and if you look at the 004, that's my prefix. The pages came with the individual numbers like 4, 3, 2, 5, and 1. I'm not sure if this page numbering is correct. What you see up on the top in a moment will be the exact sequence as they recommended. So sales letter is correct. It should be the first one. I think that number 2 should be one-time offer, and then we should go to the profit maximizer, but maybe they have changed something in the sequence. So let's take a look at that. I will be opening them in a numerical sequence assigned by Kartra, and then maybe we'll have to rearrange them for the logic. So looking at the sales letter, yes, this is, if you remember Frank Kern, he's often using the long sales letter format that is heavy on text, yet well, there are a few images. It certainly is effective. Maybe we'll change the colors a bit, and maybe we should really consider adjusting the font sizes. I wouldn't want to read this page, so it's poorly designed page, unless their intent was, hey, replace the stuff in yellow. But realistically, everything should be in yellow, because would you keep this? We'll certainly replace this bearded charmer with someone else. So I'm not impressed with this page, but what product does it sell? Is it connected to a correct product? So it opens a separate checkout page, and it's a product example at $97. So far, so good. I'm going to go back so we have the first page. So this is the one-time offer, and now we also have the sales letter one-time offer. So let's adjust these, because this page number 2 is really the profit maximizer. So what is in a sales letter one-time offer is the upgrade, or I'm not interested. So what was this product? $97, and then we have the one-time offer. So this will be the upsell from initial sale. Why didn't we in that case offer that in the first page? Well, and now we have the video here. The VSL campaign that we reviewed earlier had the same problem, a confusing workflow that I'm not sure is the most effective, because if you purchase something in here on the long sales page letter, a video letter, why would you now go to one-time offer as an upsell? Well, maybe that makes sense, but then you also have the profit maximizer. So is this the second upsell? Okay, I think this is a little better than the previous VSL campaign. Let's see, are these buttons active? They are active. However, I don't see a reason why wouldn't they match the pricing. That would be easier for anyone editing this campaign to actually find the same pricing. Yeah, I get it. It's a template, but you could be a little more helpful to anyone that comes in and give them that information. So that would be the profit maximizer. If I purchase this, I'll go to a thank you page. All right, we're back to the snowflakes, the checkmark thank you, generic stock photography, and a little bit of text. Maybe it's marginally better than the previous one, but nothing really impressive about this page. In fact, I think it's very poor. And then we have the downsell, which has the same problem as the VSL campaign, because the downsell is higher than the original price. And then if I'm not interested, I will exit from here. No, not interested sends me to profit maximizer. I'm just going to finish the review of pages here. Confusing, not practical, poor design, poor color selection. I have nothing good to say about this other than it's a possibly a good idea. The framework is relatively solid. Let's look at the other assets that we haven't reviewed yet. And those assets would include the email sequence. So my communications, and then sequences. So this is the sequence that is delivered, and we are going to open this sequence to see what's in there. The sequence is activated by somebody purchasing any product at any point. All right, works for me. We have immediately after 1 day and 1 day later, which means they have fixed the problem because the VSL sequence had no delay between emails 2 and email 3. So far so good. Actually, we can review this email just by clicking on the I and then clicking on, let me just take a quick look here. Everything looks good. The copy, yeah, the copy is the same as before. And actually it is a decent copy, so they will get some points for creating the email sequence. All right, nothing else to report here. So in summary, this is a campaign that is identical but slightly improved version of this campaign. VSL, Virtual Sales Letter. I'm sorry, I might have mentioned video review number 3. Number 3 is the squeeze page campaign. So this is comparing to video review number 2, the VSL campaign. VSL campaign and sales letter campaign are identical in the framework. What the difference is that this one has a video on the landing page, and this one has the long form code or copy for the leads to be engaged. All right, let's tabulate the numbers and display the final score for you. Thank you. So this funnel scored 9.6 on a Lion funnel score, which is poor. Basic score 0. Effort multiplier, there's no effort there. No multiplier for quality. Functionality 0. Originality 0. Documentation non-existing. Could they do a lot better? Absolutely. And my role here is to help you understand the value for your money. In this case, yeah, there are some pros, but let's go and review the overall perception. So it's a poor quality, poorly designed funnel that Kartra could certainly improve, or someone else can take the same framework and just improve on it. So let's take a look at the list of the pros. It's free. It's a good idea. It's a great funnel. It has a decent email copy. It is a simple funnel that would definitely work. And once it's improved, you can use it. And if you look at our VSL or virtual sales letter funnel review number 2, it is slightly improved with better flow, slightly better copy, slightly better page design. However, the cons are the page design twice. The pricing logic is sloppy, so we definitely don't recommend this funnel. If you find this content useful, click on like and subscribe. It helps our channel and you'll get notified when we post the new content. So thank you in advance. Visit our page for more information and to join our free membership with Kartra tips and tricks and free downloadable funnel templates. Do you want to be part of the community and have the access to live Q&As? Join us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Next video is coming soon.